What's up, my natural rebels? I haven't seen you guys in a while. As you can see, this hair is a mess. So I'm going to be doing a product review today, and it's going to be from, we'll do this one first. It's going to be by J.Lexi. So it's a rice water conditioning and detangling shampoo. So I'm gonna be using that, and I'm gonna be using the same product. It's gonna be the Hydrating deep conditioner, rice water as well. Okay. So this is me. Cut and dry, no like extra stuff. This is just the natural me. You know, no makeup, none of that. This is just like normal. So yeah, look a mess. You can see I got this product buildup right here from the gel. Yeah, my hair is a mess right now. I need some saving, so sit back. Yeah, your girl needs some saving. So I'm about to be going ahead and I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair first, and I'm gonna come back with y'all, and then I'll let y'all see how my hair looks wet. I'm also gonna be changing my clothes too, so stay tuned for the vlogs. Okay. So I'm back, y'all, and I just rinsed my hair. I didn't shampoo it yet because I just wanted to like loosen my hair up a little bit at least, so y'all can see what I'm working with right now. My curls are not bad, but they're not as defined as y'all know because it's not fully detangled. I got knots in everywhere, so your curls are not going to be as defined because they're going to be weighed down by knots like these. So yeah, I'm about to give these curls some life. So yeah, my camera is a little crooked. I don't know why. I think I might have bumped it, but whatever. Hope it doesn't look crooked on camera. Okay, and y'all, I did change because I thought it was cute, you know, like a little towel dress. I don't know what this thing is called, but I got two of them that I never really use, so I'm just gonna wear it because it's cute for this video. But this is my hair right now. Hopefully I'm in the camera, but yeah. So I just want to come to y'all and show y'all that, but I'm about to go ahead and shampoo this head of mine, so stay tuned. Alright, so the shampoo is in my hair. I thought it would be great for, since it's a product review, to show y'all how I'm applying it to my hair, because the bottle says make sure I coat every strand, so might as well show y'all how it's looking after I will coat every strand. I mean, so far I like it. It's more of a loose consistency, if I'm saying it right, because I'm used to thick creamers. I mean, I like it. I don't really have too many complaints about this so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to fully coat the other side. Snag, snug, whatever. So I put a band-aid on it so it won't snag my hair while I'm doing my hair and break my hair off. So that's the reason for that. But this is the consistency of it. You see how fast it's rolling down, so it's really liquidy. Not really a it's not I can't talk. It's not a thick product, and also it doesn't have a lot of suds either. Y'all can see my little edges are actually growing back. I don't say growing back because I never lost my edges. It just was that since I was a kid, like my edge on this side compared to this side was always thinner. I don't know why that side actually really never grew. It's always been just peach fuzz around that area, but I'm still working on that too. So if y'all see that, don't think I ain't got no edges. I'm just that's how I was born. So I'm working on them. So just ignore that. But dang, my hair looking all sexy right now. So y'all to catch that. Whew. Plus, if it's rice water and it's supposed to make my hair grow, I'm putting it all over my head because I want my hair to grow some. And it's growing fast. As far as the smell goes, y'all, it's not bad. It's not like a it almost smells like lemon to me, like a lemon smell. Give a little scalp massage, you know. 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Style as usual and do the follow up with the deep conditioner. I'll be back again. I'm gonna go rinse this out my hair and then come back to y'all and show y'all my slay, because I'm gonna comb this conditioner through my hair because I'm just used to combing it. So yeah, I'll be back. Just a little pat down there. Alright, so now I'm going to be moving on to the next step with this product review. It's going to be adding this conditioner, and it's a hydrating deep conditioner as well. So let's get this started, y'all. Okay guys, so the product is completely in my hair. So put the conditioner in my hair and I combed it through and did some little twists, 2-strand twist. Just to make the process a little easier for me. I mean, it says to cover with plastic cap and leave for 15 minutes. But unfortunately, I don't have a plastic cap and I don't have a grocery bag, so I can't do that step. But what I am gonna be doing, I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. So far so good, but I'm gonna be adding this olive oil on top of this conditioner while it's 15 minutes because I wanted it to penetrate my hair more so when I rinse it out. I feel like my hair doesn't have as much slip as I wanted to have, so I'm gonna add some olive oil to this on top of this product here. Shine, so I'm gonna go ahead and be adding this on top. So when I rinse it out, I wanted to have like extra slip, if you know what I mean. Like I want to feel like my hair is moisturized. My hair is soft after the conditioner. That's when I know that didn't make it. Whatever, but that's how I know that it actually worked. My direct focus is the ends of my hair, so that's what I'm going to be applying this to. So yeah. I think I'm just obsessed with olive oil, so I was like, it was killing me not to add because I just want to do the product itself, but I can still do that, but this week I know I'm going to add this on top of that. So let's see the back. Yo, after I get all, you know, cutified or whatever, and I'll let y'all know I might be styling my hair, so I don't know. Okay y'all, so I'm back and I did decide to style my hair, so this is what I did, just a little side swoop. Normally I just wear my wash and goes just down, maybe a part to the side, but I just wanted to try something new. I added a hair accessory, this white flower here. This is the back. So yeah. I would give that product, I would say a 7 in my book. Overall, I liked it. I just didn't really, I wasn't used to, like I said, having like a creamer or whatever. I'm used to having a creamer. I'm not used to having a liquidy product. I'm used to having a, you know, somewhat thick product or whatever. But overall, I like it. Shout out to J.Lexi. Check her out, her YouTube. Her products are, you know, I think it's worth a try. One thing I would change, like I said, is the thickness of it. Overall, the smell was great. My hair did get a good condition. I did add the a leave-in into my hair as well, which I used the Shea Moisture mask, and I use that as my leave-in. So, and these are the results, you guys. So it's my little outfit. Can't really see the whole thing, but kind of cute or whatever. I'll give y'all a little, because I still have my bare shoes on, but anyways, I'm still cute. So you guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Comment below, let me know what you guys like. Give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that. Just keep supporting your girl, and thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Thank you.